When it comes to contract management, time is the most critical element. That's where document generation becomes a helping hand for boosting your entire contract lifecycle. Automatically create modifiable templates with merge and fillable fields that are available for collaboration and finalized as PDFs. Pre-fill documents with data from external sources such as Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics 365, NetSuite, Google Sheets, and many more. Enable role-based routing, preparing contracts for redlining and negotiating them in real time. Generate documents with dynamic data from multiple records at the same time, based on the conditions you set. Route completed documents to any digital storage system of your choice. Get started with document generation for your contract workflows in our course called The Basics of Document Generation and Contracts in airSlate. Learn more by clicking the link in the description.